everybody. It's night time. And I have no idea what that guy's doing over there in the Cadillac. Besides not knowing where he's going. What are you doing? I know that Places has its alarm system going on. That's one thing I know. And then this guy's just, I don't know. We heard like a big humongous bang or something out here. Yeah, really spooky. And looks like I should have worn a different shirt. That car is just staying there. Okay. So like I said, we heard a big humongous bang before it got to the distance of the hill here. There is a vehicle that has their hazardous lights on, but I don't know if it's actually a vehicle. Well, of course it's a vehicle, but like if it's like actually a, I don't know, what do you call it, an actual car that you ride or drive in, or if it's like one of those construction vehicles, because it looked like a construction vehicle, because hazardous lights, it's like one flashing after another. So, but other than that, I'm thinking the big one is bang that we heard. Oh god. The big humongous bang that we heard is probably like a backfire of an old car. Oh, he was going through. But yeah, it's a backfire of an old car, because usually some of them do that.